that is part of vascular system, and it starts from lymphatic capillary. It is diagram only for your understanding, not necessary to draw. That is lymphatic capillary. What is the main differences between lymphatic and blood capillary? Lymphatic capillary is blind. It's blind, and it is wider than blood capillary. If blood capillary, it is from 10 to 20 micrometers. Lymphatic capillary may be from 20 to 200 micrometers. That is, lymphatic capillary is wider, and it's have not got basal membrane. Endothelial cells, they join together with the help of connective tissue, but complete basal membrane in lymphatic capillary is absent. In blood capillary we have basal membrane and endothelial cells. Here it is endothelial cells and fibers which join these cells one with another, but it is absent complete basal membrane. Lymphatic capillaries continues into lymphatic postcapillary and border between them, that is first valve. Here it is, we have valves, and these valves help to conduct lymph in one direction. Lymphatic postcapillary and all another lymphatic vessels has valves. And that is why first valve, that is a border between capillary and postcapillary, and postcapillary has basal membrane. Postcapillary continues into lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels, the same like blood vessels, has three layers, three coats. External, that is adventitia, middle layer, that is muscular coat, and inner layer, that is tunica intima or endothelial cells. Lymphatic vessels, the same has valves, and they interrupt with lymph nodes. And first lymph node on the way of lymph from part of the human body or from inner organ, that is regional lymph node, regional. And what is the main importance of these regional lymph nodes? I think you know that cancer cells can spread through lymphatic tissue, lymphatic system, and in this case, if cancer cells goes to lymphatic capillary and pass through this postcapillary and vessel, it can absorbed in these lymph nodes and stay here. That is why if we want to remove cancer from human body, we need to do it together with regional lymph node. Is it clear? Lymphatic vessels which start from lymph nodes continues to another vessels, and the same interrupt with another lymph node. Maybe 3, sometimes 4 rows of lymph nodes on the way of lymph, and after that large lymphatic vessels, large vessels which already not interrupt with lymph nodes has name lymphatic trunks, and lymphatic trunks join together and forms lymphatic ducts. In human body we have 2 lymphatic ducts. First, that is Ductus Thoracicus, and Ductus Thoracicus opens into the left venous angle. Who remember what is the left venous angle? It is junction between what and what? It is junction between subclavian and internal jugular vein, that is beginning of brachiocephalic vein, and Ductus Thoracicus opens into the left venous angle, and Ductus Thoracicus, it forms with the help of truncus lumbalis, right and left lumbar trunks. They join together and forms Ductus Thoracicus. The same Ductus Thoracicus receives left bronchomediastinal trunk, left subclavian trunk, truncus subclavius sinister, and left jugular trunk. And after that, ductus thoracicus opens into the left venous angle. And on the right side, that is superior vena cava, here it is, that is internal jugular and subclavian. That is right venous angle, and right venous angle have right lymphatic duct, ductus lymphaticus dexter, and right lymphatic duct receives truncus bronchomediastinalis dexter, truncus subclavius dexter, and truncus jugularis dexter. Sometimes right lymphatic duct is absent. In this case, all of these three trunks directly opens into right venous angle. That is why in human body we have two lumbar trunks, two bronchomediastinal, two subclavian, and two jugular trunks. All of them are paired, and sometime in 20% of cases we can find intestinal trunk, truncus intestinalis, only in 20%. If it is absent, in this case, from inner organs, lymphatic vessels opens directly into ductus thoracicus or into truncus lumbalis. Right lymphatic duct only receive lymph from right side of the head, neck, right upper extremity, and right side of the chest. But ductus thoracicus from both lower extremities, from true pelvis, from all organs in abdominal cavity, and then left side of the chest, left upper extremity, left half of the head, and left half of the neck. Two-thirds of lymph flow through ductus thoracicus into left venous angle, and 1/3 of the lymph through right lymphatic duct opens into right venous angle. Classification of lymph nodes and structure of lymph nodes you read yourself in your manual. Here it is, everything described, sinuses, types of lymph nodes, here it is, and functions of lymph nodes, the same, here it is present. Only general information about lymphatic system. Here it is. That is all.